Hello and welcome to the course Object Tracking using Python and OpenCV. My name is Jones Granatier and I will teach all the lectures in this course. Tracking means locating an object in successive frames of a video. And now let's look at some of the projects that you are going to implement step by step. We can see this window here, where we can track the objects or the runners. The goal is to select any runner that you want, and the algorithm will track them until the end of the race. We will also use the webcam. Take a look here that we are tracking this pen. Even when the pen is in front of my face, the algorithm still tracking the object. Another example using the webcam, we can click in the object we want to track and see that this route is generated, so you can monitor where the object is going. We can also see this other visualization, which is useful to see the exact route that the object is going. We will also implement a different kind of tracking in which we can see people walking, and instead of have the bounding box around the object, we can fill the objects with colors to see where they are moving. During implementations, we will use all these tracking algorithms that are available in the OpenCV library. There are 12 algorithms in total. You will learn the basic intuition about each one, and then we will implement and test using OpenCV and the PyCharm IDE. It's important to emphasize that the goal of the course is to be as practical as possible, so don't expect too much from the theory since you are going to learn only the basic aspects of each one. The purpose of showing all these algorithms is for you to have a view that different algorithms can be used according to the types of applications, so you can choose the best ones according to the problem you are trying to solve. We will perform some tests and compare the results. Now let's take a quick look at some object tracking applications. This first image shows some examples related to traffic control, such as tracing the route here, tracking pedestrians here, calculating the distance between vehicles, and so on. This type of technique has many applications that can be used in self-driving cars. This other image shows the tracking of soccer players, so a heat map can be generated indicating the main locations that each player visited through the game. For example, if you are monitoring a defensive player, he or she is expected to occupy that part of the field here. If you are monitoring an offensive player, he or she is expected to occupy that part of the field here. An analysis can be made to check if the players are fulfilling his or her role during the game. This other image can indicate the recognition and tracking of people. First, the system can detect faces, then it can check if it is a certain person you are looking for, and then you can track him or her. There are many commercial applications that can be developed using tracking. That's it for this lecture. In the next one, you will have some theoretical background about the algorithms, and right after, we will move on to the practical implementations. I hope you have a great course and enjoy the content. See you next time!